Hi mga baby, your man and Jack is back, and this time naman nandito ako sa Diguisit beach. Ayan, kitang-kita yung mga corals at syempre yung ating karagatan na sagana sa mga yang dagat. Dito naman sa aking likod, makikita mo yung lighthouse. Ayun, kita nyo? So, napakalapit lang dito, diba? So, this is one of the last, or, yeah, nang tama dito yung isa sa mga last na pwesto na pwede mong pagstayhan. Napakasariwa ng hangin. Amoy na amoy mo yung sea breeze. Diba? Tapos makikita mo ang daming isda, starfishes, sea urchins, and a lot more. Ito siya, papakita ko sa inyo, okay? So, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Like this video and please do comment your suggestions, opinions, and anything you can say regarding my video.
Did you know na yung entrance fee dito is only 30 pesos? Sulit na sulit siya kasi meron ding duyan na pwede mong pagpahingahan. Meron silang available na 4 cottages and bawat isa dito ay nagkakahalaga ng 300 pesos. Yung parking fee ay libre. So, makakamura ka talaga. And at the same time, you're just a mile or two away from the lighthouse. So, yung entrance naman for this lighthouse is 20 to 30 pesos if I am not mistaken. We weren't able to go there because it's too hot and may mga bata kaming kasama. By the way, I took these videos at around 11 AM na kung saan ay sobrang tirik ng araw, pero makikita mo na yung mga isda at yung iba pang mga sea creatures ay napaka-aktibo. They're swimming, they're crawling and going from places to different spots. So, if you are looking for a place to visit, come here at Diguisit Beach, wherein you can see a lot of creatures, you can unwind, you can relax, and you can appreciate the beauty of nature.
Yung experience dito, don't forget to bring your hat, your scarves, and umbrella, water, and the other essentials. So, wala silang available na pag-grillan dito, kaya you need to bring your own. Pero sa amin, nag-pack lunch na lang kami ng chicken adobo and pineapple, mangoes, and watermelon, diba? Together with our buko salad. Yan. So, okay na yon. Kasi umalis naman kami ng busog. At uuwi rin kaming busog, of course. Eto siya, tignan niyo, may mga shells dito. I hope that you are enjoying so far. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe on my channel, and click the notification bell. Thank you so much. Is very Instagrammable. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit Aurora Province.